Managing money is hard, but what if AI could do it for you? From budgeting and investing to finding the best financial opportunities, AI is changing how we handle our finances. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you save, invest, and grow your wealth. Tool 1. Cleo AI, the sassy budgeting assistant. Cleo isn't your typical finance app. It's an AI chatbot that makes budgeting fun. It tracks your expenses, gives you saving challenges, and even roasts you when you overspend. Tool 2. Wealthfront AI, the smart investment manager. Wealthfront is an AI-powered robo-advisor that automatically invests your money based on your risk level. It uses machine learning to rebalance your portfolio and optimize for maximum growth. Tool 3. Tykr AI, AI-powered stock picking. Picking the right stocks can be confusing, but Tykr AI analyzes financial data and tells you which stocks are a buy or sell based on risk levels. It's like having a financial analyst in your pocket. Tool 4. Mint AI, the all-in-one money tracker. Mint AI helps you track spending, bills, and financial health in one place. It gives you smart alerts so you never miss a payment, and even helps cut unnecessary expenses. Tool 5. ChatGPT for Finance, your AI financial coach. Did you know you can use ChatGPT to get financial advice, plan budgets, and even learn about investment strategies? Just type in your questions, and AI will give you smart, data-driven answers. AI is already changing personal finance, and it's only getting smarter. But do you think AI should manage all our money, or do we still need human experts? Let me know in the comments.